In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Squarespace expert in just 5 minutes. Squarespace, as many of you know, is a dynamic web publishing tool that allows you to create stunning websites without needing to know a line of code. Whether you're aiming to set up a blog, an e-commerce store, or a portfolio, mastering Squarespace can open up a world of opportunities. Let's get started on this journey to leveraging the full potential of Squarespace. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Click on that to proceed. For a smoother experience, Squarespace offers a continue with Google option. It's a quick way to sign in without having to remember another password. So go ahead and click on continue with Google, then select your Google account to sign in effortlessly. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Squarespace dashboard. This is your control room where you'll manage everything related to your Squarespace websites. If you've got multiple websites, find and click on the specific website you wish to work on. You'll often find a direct link to your website's dashboard in your Squarespace profile or welcome page. Look for a visual cue, such as a thumbnail of your website, to help you select the right one. After selecting your website, it's time to dive into learning. Squarespace provides a setup guide for every site. This guide is a goldmine for beginners. Here you'll find step-by-step instructions and videos covering the basics and essentials of building a website on Squarespace. The guide is designed to help you familiarize yourself with the interface and start customizing your site to fit your vision. Moreover, if you have questions or need more detailed explanations on specific features, Squarespace has got you covered. There's a handy help icon located at the bottom of your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can search for answers or browse through common queries. For those who are keen on digging deeper and enhancing their Squarespace skills, the Guides by Topic section on the Squarespace support page is a treasure trove of information. Here you can explore various topics from website design and layout to integrating third-party services. It's a fantastic resource for both beginners and advanced users looking to polish their website to perfection. Lastly, for those who prefer visual learning, Squarespace offers a comprehensive library of tutorial videos. By clicking on See All Videos, you can access numerous tutorials that cover everything from basic navigation to advanced customization techniques. Watching these videos is a great way to get acquainted with Squarespace's functionalities and become proficient in using this versatile platform. Becoming a Squarespace expert doesn't happen overnight, but with the resources available and a bit of dedication, you'll find yourself mastering this platform faster than you thought possible. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different features and layouts. Squarespace is designed to be user-friendly, so you're in good hands. Happy creating, and here's to building beautiful websites that stand out on the web.